Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda Rebel 300. This lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 429 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This lightweight, low seat cruiser just arrived. Price to sell at just $54.90. It's got an awesome sounding Diablo exhaust. Come on by and pick up your satin black Rebel 300 for just $54.90. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean new spikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.